Now, students, we are going to start the second part of our topic, that is technical factors. Before this, in the previous video, we have discussed about the non-technical factors, and now we are going to study the technical factors that affects the software maintenance cost. Different factors, technical factors that affect the maintenance cost are the module independence programming, and these all we are going to study in detail. Module independence, we have studied previously that module about module cohesion and module coupling. If there is more module cohesion and less module coupling, then the cost of maintaining the software gets reduced. So it should be possible to modify one program unit. अपने लिए possible होना चाहिए कि ਆਪਾਂ एक program unit ਦੇ which requires the change should be made without affecting other units, yeah, without affecting on the other modules. Second part is, if the module is independent, then the software maintenance cost get reduced. But if it is dependent on each other module, then changes becomes difficult and it automatically increases the software maintenance cost. Second part is programming language. If the programs are written in a high level language, then they are usually easier to understand. Hence, the program which is easier to are easy to understand, then it reduces the maintenance cost. But if the program is written in the low level languages like assembly language or machine language, then automatically increases the maintenance cost because it is difficult to understand them and write a program. Writing a program in low level languages are more complex. Third part is programming style. The way in which program is written contributes to its understandability. The way, the style in which we are writing the program, if it is written in a readability form, if it is proper modules are used, proper indentation, braces, and all these factors are considered in our program, proper documentation, comments are added, then it becomes easy to understand the program. Means the maintenance cost depends on the programming style which we opt for our program, or the style in which we are writing our programs. If the programming style is not readable or it is not understandable, then it will be very difficult to modify it, which automatically increases its maintenance cost. Next part is program validation and testing. Because the time and effort that are spent on design validation, we have discussed this in previous points also, that the more we spend the time on its SRS or its designing, it gets automatically it reduction of the software maintenance cost, because there will be few errors in the program. If if the time and effort are not spent properly on the initial phases of our software development life cycle, then there will arise errors in the further stages, and if these errors goes increasing and step by step, then it in consequences, or it affects the maintenance cost, which increases our errors, and error corrections increases our maintenance cost. Next part is maintenance cost due to error correction are governed. All errors are not same type. कुछ errors ਇਹਜੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ easily repair ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, but ਕੁਝ errors ਇਹਜੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ that are difficult to repair, so they increases our maintenance cost. Coding errors, ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ coding 'ਚ errors ਹੈ ਜਾਂ errors ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੇ coding ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਰਹੀਆਂ, ਉਹ are cheaper to correct. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦੀ, ਬਟ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਐਰਰਸ ਆਰ ਮੋਰ ਐਕਸਪੈਂਸਿਵ ਐਜ਼ ਦੇ ਇਨਵੋਲਵ। ਜੇ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਿੰਗ ਚ ਐਰਰ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਰੀਰਾਈਟ ਦ every each program unit or each line of the code, so it increases our maintenance cost. Errors in software requirements, देखो जे अपने SRAs गलत है या client को जो requirements लिए वो ही नहीं सही, then the most expensive, it is very expensive to correct because of a drastic redesign which should usually involve। फिर अपन ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ सिस्टम redesign करना पएगा, उनकी फिर तो डिजाइनिंग करनी पएगी, ਤੇ ਜਿੰਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣਾ cost ਕਾਫੀ increase ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ। Next part is documentation. If the program is supported by clear and concise documentation, then it becomes relatively easy to understand the program, and the program documentation makes it straightforward. But if the program maintenance cost gets increased if the in documentation or its records are incomplete. Next part is configuration management techniques. one of the most significant cost of maintenance keeping track of all system. देखो जिन्ने भी अपने system ਦੇ documents हैं ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸਭ ਦਾ track ਰੱਖਣਾ ਤੇ ensure ਕਰਨਾ that these are consistent. ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਵੇ ਇੱਕ model ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਵੇ use ਕੀਤਾ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ use ਕੀਤਾ ਸਾਰਾ system ਇੱਕ consistent way ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ documentation ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਤੇ ਜੇ ਆਪਣਾ management configuration management system properly ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ then it helps in controlling the maintenance cost. So this is all about software maintenance cost or factors affecting the software maintenance cost. Thanks, Bachit.